Hey, Rocky here, and tonight we are going somewhere very special. The moon, that giant glowing ball you see every night in the sky. But trust me, it is so much more than just a light in the dark. Stay with us, this is going to be incredible. First question, how big is the moon? Most people think it is small, like a ball in the sky, but here is the truth. The moon is 3,474 kilometers wide. That is as wide as the entire United States, and it is only 384,000 kilometers away from Earth. So, where did the moon come from? Scientists believe that billions of years ago, a massive rock the size of Mars crashed into Earth. The impact was so powerful that a huge chunk of Earth was blasted into space. That chunk slowly came together and became the moon. Our moon was born from a collision. Now here is something that will blow your mind. The moon is slowly moving away from Earth. Every single year, the moon moves 3.8 centimeters further away. That is about the same speed as your fingernails grow. Slowly, but constantly, drifting away. And here is why the moon is so incredibly important. Without the moon, Earth would be a very different place. The moon controls our ocean tides. Every time you see the sea rise and fall, that is the moon pulling the water with its gravity. Without the moon, our tides would almost disappear. And without tides, many ocean creatures could not survive. But there is more. The moon also stabilizes Earth's tilt. Without it, our planet would wobble like a spinning top. Our seasons would become completely unpredictable. Summers could last decades, winters could last centuries. The moon keeps everything in balance. Now here is the most mind-blowing fact. The same side of the moon always faces Earth. Always. We have never seen the far side of the moon from Earth. Not once in all of human history. Not once in all of human history. The moon rotates at exactly the same speed it orbits Earth. This is called tidal locking, and it means the moon has a secret side that only spacecraft have ever seen. From a giant collision billions of years ago to the force that keeps our planet stable. The moon is not just a light in the sky, it is Earth's guardian. Science is truly incredible. If you loved this episode, smash that subscribe button so you never miss an adventure with Rocky and Spank. And tell us in the comments, if you could visit the moon, what would you do there? See you in the next one. Science is everywhere around us.